Hi, hello guys, this is Vignesh here from Prista Private Limited. Okay, here you can actually see this is the actual device called rice mill monitoring system, which is having the capability to measure the temperature up to 300 degrees Celsius and also the moisture in terms of percentage. Okay, and then here you can actually see this product will actually do the job wherever the actual need is there for to monitor temperature and moisture. Okay, first of all we will see the product description. Okay, and here you can see at the top, okay, an LCD display to convey all the messages to the user, and here you can see two toggle switches, one for measure control and another one for the moisture control. And at the bottom you can see the push buttons to set the temperature ranges. Okay, and on the right hand side you can see one button for alarm on and off control, and also one USB port to interface moisture sensor. Okay, and here you can see the PT100 we are actually using. It is a temperature sensor, and then here you can see a moisture sensor from Vegetronics. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, a siren is actually there, which is a 12-volt siren, okay, to alert, okay, whenever the temperature goes out of range. Okay, so this is a setup, guys. Now we can go ahead with the demo of this product. Okay, hey, right now I'm just going to turn on the device. Okay, it is a first step. Here you can actually see the maximum and minimum temperature which we have actually set earlier. Okay, so right now the first step is you have to toggle the mode adjustment to set. Okay, here you can see temperature set mode. Initially I'm just going to set the minimum temperature value. Okay, in this case I'm just going to set the minimum temperature value like 32. Okay, just press the store button to store the low value. Right now we have to set the maximum value. Okay, use the same increment and decrement push buttons to set the maximum temperature. In this case 40 I'm just going to store. Here you can see release mode button. I'm just going to toggle back the mode adjustment toggle switch to measure. Okay, here you can see the maximum temperature we have set is 40 and minimum is actually 32. Okay, that's great, guys. And here you can see in this case the power and measure indication LEDs is actually turned on. Okay, and right now I'm just going to turn on the moisture on the right hand side. Okay, using the toggle switch I'm just going to turn it on. Okay, I'm just going to keep my hand. Okay, here you can actually see the values 43 likewise. Okay, right now I'm just going to take my hand. Let's see what happens. And also I'm just going to turn off. Okay, here you can see the value is 0 right now. Okay, that looks cool. Okay, fine, guys. I'm just going to set the mode adjustment again. Okay, to turn on the siren. Okay, I'm just going to set the false range right now. Okay, here you can see I'm just going to set the minimum value like 22. Okay, I'm just going to set the false range to trigger the alarm. Okay, in this case actual temperature is 30, right? Fine to store the 26 value. Okay, once the measure mode is turned on, okay, here you can see the siren is turned on. Okay, that's great, guys. The siren is actually turned on. Okay, now just use the button on the right hand side, okay, to turn on and turn off the siren manually. Okay, here you can actually see the demo, guys. There are actually a lot of key features for our product. The first one is it can able to measure temperature up to 300 degrees Celsius, and also it can able to measure moisture in terms of percentage. Okay, and the user can able to set both the low and high temperature range setting, and we have actually used 4-wire RTD for accurate temperature measurement and 12-bit ADC for higher accuracy and precision in moisture measurement. One special feature, which is nothing but automatic alarm triggering system when the initial temperature value is greater than the low temperature setting. I will explain in a while, guys. Now just see the scenario. The minimum temperature is 32, the maximum temperature is 40. Okay, here you can actually see if the actual temperature rise above the minimum temperature value. Okay, in this case when the actual temperature value is 33, okay, it is greater than the minimum temperature, right? On that particular time, the alarm triggers automatically without any human intervention. Okay, it is the actual special feature. Okay, during this particular time, whenever the temperature goes out of range, the alarm will be turned on, which is nothing but siren gets turned on. There are actually even some other features such as 12-volt siren alarm, dedicated LEDs for power, mode, Wi-Fi connectivity, and for alarm as well. Okay, this product is not only act as a standalone device, and it just act as an IoT device as well based on the user requirement. Okay, and then here you can actually see easy toggle mode between the setting and measurement. And as I said earlier, this hardware is IoT compatible, and we can able to integrate with various cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, ThinkSpeak, and even to our own cloud platform called the Prista Things, which is quite in the development progress. Okay. For more details, just to contact here, and I will see you in the next demonstration from Prista Tech.